Have you ever wondered if chickens can eat rolled oats? Maybe you've heard people say oats are great for chickens, while others warn against feeding too many grains. Well, today we're diving deep into the benefits of rolled oats, how to serve them, and why they can be a game changer for your flock, especially in colder months. Hello, I'm Nora, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to dive into giving your chicken rolled oats. If you are new to the channel, we do daily videos talking about chicken keeping as well as gardening, indoor and outdoor plants. So if you would like to follow my journey, go along and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon in order to be informed on all our new videos. So let's start with the big question. Can chicken eat rolled oats? The answer is yes. But like anything in their diet, there is a right way and there is a wrong way to feed them. So let's break it down. Rolled oats are a healthy grain that provide important nutrients for chicken. They're soft, they're easy to digest, and more nutritious than processed grains. Oats contain soluble fat fiber, which supports the chicken's gut health. But here's the catch. Oats should never replace a chicken's main diet. Chickens thrive on a balanced diet of high-quality layer feed, which is designed to provide all the proteins, the vitamins, the minerals that they need to lay strong, healthy eggs. So I want you to think of rolled oats as a treat or a supplement, not a main meal. Now, why should we even consider adding rolled oats to your chicken's diet? Here are 5 major benefits to giving your chicken rolled oats. Number 1 is boosting digestive health. Oats are packed with soluble fiber, which helps to regulate their digestion. If your chicken ever has a mild digestive issue, like loose drippings or crop discomfort, rolled oats come in and really help firm things up. If you're dealing with diarrhea in chickens, maybe try mixing rolled oats with plain yogurt for an easy probiotic boost. The second benefit of giving your chicken rolled oats is it helps chickens stay warm in cold weather, because when temperatures drop, the chicken burns more extra calories just to stay warm. Feeding warm oats to your chicken, especially in the cold mornings, will provide them with a slow releasing energy, which keeps them comfortable all day long. Now, as a quick warning here, if you do live in a hot climate, you might want to limit oats during extremely warmer months because they add extra energy that could overheat your flock. Benefit is they are packed with essential nutrients because oats are rich in B vitamins, which are really important for feather growth and energy. They're also rich in iron, which helps with oxygen circulation. And lastly, they're rich in manganese and magnesium, which support bone health and egg production. Oats, they're not a calcium replacement, but they do help in terms of absorbing essential minerals and supporting better eggshell formation. They really help with feather growth, especially during molting. So if your hens are molting, rolled oats are a great way to add to their diet. They're gentle, they're nutrient rich, and also because they contain protein and vitamins, they can speed up feather regrowth. So for even more better results, or to maximize the benefits of rolled oats, you can mix rolled oats with scrambled eggs or mealworms to really boost the protein intake for your chicken during the molting season. So how can you feed rolled oats to chicken? So now that we know all the benefits that rolled oats have, let's talk about the best ways you can be able to serve them to your chicken. My favorite way is dry or raw rolled oats. So I'd basically sprinkle dry oats directly on the ground as a foraging treat, or I can even put them into their little plate and they'll be able to eat it from there. You can also mix it into the layer feed for extra texture and variety. But please don't overdo it because oats are lower in protein than regular chicken feed, so make sure to keep it balanced. In the winter time, I love adding warm oatmeal treat, and I did that when we first bought the chickens when it was a bit cold in early spring. So in colder months, you can go ahead and warm oatmeal and cook it, cool it down, and simply give it to the chickens that way. It really helps, but make sure you let it cool down slightly before serving. You can also add in some optional mixing. So we've got some chia seeds if you have some around. They're rich in omega-3. If you've got some crushed eggshells for added extra calcium, and if you can add some fresh herbs like oregano for a natural immune booster. Please make sure to avoid adding sugar, milk, butter, because chickens don't digest dairy very well, and too much sugar for them is very harmful. So how often should you feed rolled oats to your chicken? So oats are great, but as always, moderation is key. So anywhere between 2 to 3 times per week. This is the sweet spot. Overfeeding them can cause protein deficiencies and it can lead to fewer eggs. Now, for your chicken that lay eggs or